everybody, Tammy here. This is another quick video just to remind you that voting is still open for the 1960 Hippy doll collab that I did with Dolls Rescued. It's a CCC challenge collaboration competition. We ask you guys to watch our videos and then rank them between 10 and 1, with 10 being the highest. That video is still looking for some votes, so I will put a link to my video down below and also to her video. I'll do an @ Dolls Rescue so you can pop over there and watch her channel and make sure that you watch her video and vote as well. Besides showing you the dollies again that I put together, I thought it would be fun to pop out this little Hippy doll. She is actually a doll that came out in 1971, but she isn't considered a hippie in my opinion. She also has a hat somewhere that I'm not sure where it's at, and some big old pink boots. I've got these blue shoes on, and you can see her legs have turned pink because she wore those boots for so long. In fact, here's some turquoise from her dress. But this is a 1971 original doll that I played the heck out of with. And she is part of a collection by Hasbro called World of Love. Like I said, she came out in 1971. Her name is Flower, and I thought she kind of fits in with these gals, yeah, because she's got this really cute little dress on. This is her original dress, but yeah, I played with her like I played with my Barbie. She was part of my Barbie group, and we, she got a lot of playtime in. So, considering how old she is and how much playtime she had back in the day, I think she doesn't look too bad. But anyway, so she's hanging out with these hippie chicks, and wanted to remind you, go over and watch Tammy's video. Give her a 10. Or whatever you feel like it deserves. But yeah, I really want to pull out all the stops and make sure everybody gets a chance to vote for this video and have time to vote, because then we're going to be calculating the winner of the competition of the CCC. And we have another CCC in the works that, just like this one, we want you guys to be able to have time. We'll give you lots of time to prepare and join us for the next CCC. But we're going to be wrapping up the Hippy Chick, the hashtag 1960 Hippy Chick collab competition challenge very soon. So please make sure, like I said, you go over there and vote. Make sure you head over to Marna's channel, Dolls Rescue, watch her video, vote over there, and then we will let you know who the winner is very soon. I don't know why I'm doing this with the doll, but I am. All right, you guys, have a wonderful dolly day. As usual, always appreciate a thumbs up. Bye-bye.